In this video, we are going to install Rove R2-4K PRO Dashcam. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This here is your dash cam. Up top, we have your air ventilator. Down here, we have your speaker. Here is your lens, which records at 4K ultra high def recording. 2160p at 30 frames per second, or 2.5K at 60 frames per second. Has a field of view of 150 degrees. With a 7-glass lens which produces clear images. Inside you have your Sony Starvis IMX335 ultra low light 5 megapixel CMOS sensor. Up top we have your TV out, then your windshield mount latch with your built-in GPS for real-time speed and compass. Records precise driving routes, location, and speed stamps directly onto your video. On the bottom, you have more ventilation, your mic, and your reset button. You have your USB Type-C for your power and data transfer. We have your power button, which also doubles as your quick snap. Here is your micro SD card, which supports up to 512 gigabytes. It is recommended that you use Rove Ultimate micro SD cards. 2.4-inch IPS display. And down here we have your menu button, up button, emergency lock, down, and OK, which doubles as your back, your mute, turning on and off your Wi-Fi, LCD off, and confirm button. 12-foot USB-C charging cable, 2.5-foot USB-C data cable, 2 electrostatic films, cleaning wipes, 360-degree sticky mount, 360-degree suction mount, dual USB car charger, some cable clips, and an extra 3M adhesive, and your pry tool. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. First, you want to decide where you want to mount your dash cam. I've decided to mount it here to the right of the rear view mirror. Then decide if you're going to use your suction mount or your sticky mount. If you're going to use the sticky mount, you want to get your included cleaning wipe, clean the area first, and then go ahead and use your electrostatic film and just place it on the spot. And on the film you'll see a little, that's where you're going to go ahead and peel and stick your sticky mount. In this video, we're going to use the suction mount. Make sure you clean the surface, grab your suction mount, make sure it is in the unlocked position. Here we have lock and unlock. Go ahead and place it on the windshield. Turn it to make sure this is straight, and go ahead and lock into position. Then you get your dash cam and you want to just go ahead and slide it into the groove and lock into place. And then you can adjust your dash cam and then tighten this knob right over here. Then we get your 12-foot cable, and we're going to go ahead and tuck it in underneath the headliner using your trim tool. Uses supercapacitor, which extends product life significantly and withstands higher heat and cold temperatures. Tuck it in under the pillar, under the strip. Got it tucked in all the way to here where I get the plug adapter. Go ahead and plug it in, and then plug in your USB. To use your 24-hour parking, don't forget to use your Rove Ultimate Hardwire Kit. Take a look at my other video for the installation process. Then you get Rove's micro SD card and go ahead and insert it. Let's go ahead and peel off the protective film. So now we're going to go ahead and go into our video settings.
Recording stopped. Video settings.
Hit arrow down and we have your video resolution. Right now it's set at 2K at 60 frames per second. I'm going to go ahead and change that to 4K at 30 frames per second. Here we have your loop recording. This feature allows the camera to continuously record loop by loop so it can delete the oldest video files automatically when the memory card becomes full. This feature will split each video file to appropriate length based on your selection of off, 1 minute, or 3 minutes. We have 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Video recording G-sensor. G-sensor is a 3-axis impact gravitational accelerometer which is designed to detect physical and gravitational forces on the camera. WDR, wide dynamic range, improves the exposure by taking the combinations of overexposed and underexposed image into one robust range of lighting. You have the option to turn that on or off. You can change the exposure. It auto adjusts the brightness of the captured videos. Time-lapse record allows you to capture a specific image per second at a much lower rate. You can turn that off at 4 frames per second or 2 frames per second or 1 frame per second. You can choose your video compression. I'll leave mine at H265, which is advanced. Here we have your 24-hour parking mode. For this, you're going to have to install your Hardwire kit. To activate 24-hour parking mode, you will need to get Rove 3's USB-C Hardwire kit.
Entering parking mode. Motion detection is on.
With the Hardwire kit, if an event occurs while parked, then the camera will record a full 1-minute video. Lock it safely in an event folder and give you a voice alert the next time you start your car, letting you know that the event has occurred while you were away. Here we can adjust your parking mode G-sensor. You have different levels to choose from. Here we have record audio. You can turn that on or off. You can use your up button to mute and unmute while video is being recorded. Video stamps. You can select your choices of stamps to go on the bottom of your video. You can change your speed unit depending on your location. We have miles per hour or kilometers per hour. You can hide your status icons. Turn that off. Disappear in 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Live compass speed allows you to see live speed and compass on your home screen. Rotate the video. This allows you to flip the video 180 degrees so you can have the correct side image.
System settings.
This feature allows you to turn on Wi-Fi. It's default at off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on.
Wi-Fi is on.
With this new feature, you have Wi-Fi mode. You can choose between 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Connect your iOS or Android devices using the latest dual band 5.0 and 2.4 gig Wi-Fi with speeds up to 8 megabytes. You can format your SD card. You can adjust your date and time. You can choose your date format and your time format, 12 hours or 24 hours. Your GPS time zone. You can adjust your screensaver. You can choose when your screensaver will appear. Live, always on, screensaver after 1 minute, or LCD off after 1 minute. You can select your screen brightness, high, medium, or low. Low is recommended. Your beep sound, you can turn that off. You can adjust your speaker volume. You can have your voice guidance on or off. Your boot up tone. TV mode, you can choose your TV mode based on your country's setting. You can install your license plate to be stamped on your video. You can choose your frequency based on your country. Here we have your GPS info, tells you how many satellites you're connected to. Here we have your GPS format. Here we have your LED indicator status. That would be their light right up here. You can turn that off so you don't see it, or you can leave that on. You can check how much storage space you have, and you can go back to default setting. You have your customer care information, legal information, and your system information.
Wi-Fi is connected. Video mode. Recording started. Recording stopped. Playback mode. Photo mode. Playback mode. Video settings. Video mode. Recording started.
If you have not yet done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.